Hi, I'm Ken from Shiitake. Congratulations! It is no exaggeration to say that you already know 80% of the cultivation of log-grown shiitake mushrooms. Because you know the most important method of first incubation in the cultivation of shiitake mushrooms. The logs inoculated spawn are packed tightly into stack like firewood and covered with a plastic sheet to moisturize them. This was the first incubation. For those who think, oh, I didn't know that, you can watch the video. Very easy way to grow spawn 1 to 7 combined from the link in the description of this video right now. We explain the detail about it, so I think this video will be easier to understand. This video that we'll talk about will consist multiple videos, and at the end we'll upload the omnibus that I put together in one. You can just watch the omnibus. Also, since we are using our cultivation method as an example, I think there may be some questions such as, is it wrong? But I would be grateful if you could incorporate it as a new sense of value. We will explain on the assumption that you have started or plan to grow mushrooms on logs. As we say every time, do not forget my English is not perfect since it's not my native language. Also, it is our personal opinion and not general theory, so please make your own judgment at your own risk. Let's go! In the previous video, I explained about first incubation that moisturized with a plastic sheet. Now you are interested in the management after that, right? You already know 80% of the log-grown shiitake cultivation. Then what is the remaining 20%? That is second incubation. In a word, it means making more rooms between logs. That's it? It's so easy. That's it. Technically, the logs have to be turned over or watered. But in one word, just making more rooms between logs. Rearrange the logs that are tightly organized in the first incubation one by one. By doing so, the rooms increase the supply of oxygen and extend mycelium to places where it has not colonized yet. There are various timing and methods for the second incubation, so I explain it in the next section. I was gonna explain the time of second incubation, but give me a moment to explain mushrooms that is important in first incubation. One of the mushrooms called Bulgaria inquinans, but there is no particular harm to shiitake spawn. It is also important waterment indicator.